Welcome to Glyphic's feature video on ChatGPT integration. In this feature video, we will understand how you can integrate ChatGPT to your WhatsApp chatbot and enhance its functionality. The ChatGPT integration in Glyphic is a layered solution to the existing GPT LLM. The solution we have built is in such a way that an NGO could upload a relevant training database which will act as a knowledge base. Any question that comes up within the scope of this knowledge base will be answered, unlike the normal ChatGPT which answers from all over the internet. This was done intentionally to avoid irrelevant conversations and to keep the conversation within the scope and purpose of the chatbot. This feature enables the chatbot to handle natural language questions and provides contextual responses to the queries based on knowledge base you feed. It also helps in automating your support query resolution by giving the first response quickly without the need for manual intervention. The knowledge base could be updated over time to improve the accuracy of the responses given. Let's dive in a bit deeper by learning how to integrate this feature into your chatbot. This is the first version of ChatGPT integration in Glyphic, and in future iterations, more functionality would be baked in based on relevant requirements we receive. For the ease of integrating ChatGPT in your chatbot, we have created a sample flow which could be imported in Glyphic, which has a relevant webhook configured. On opening the JSON, you will find that the name of the flow is GPT integration. First, go to the ChatGPT integration page in Glyphic documentation. Download the JSON file for the sample flow in which ChatGPT integration has already been done. Import the JSON downloaded in Glyphic and you'll have the sample flow ready. Now configure the flow to your liking. The webhook contains the relevant Jugalbandi APIs which is used for connecting Glyphic with OpenAI APIs. Now go to the flow and configure the webhook with respect to the knowledge base you have. In the ChatGPT documentation, click on the Jugalbandi API hyperlink and upload the knowledge base you have in the PDF or TXT format. Once the command is executed, you will receive a corresponding UUID for the knowledge base. Update the UUID in the webhook inside the sample flow. In this example, since we have the Glyphic documentation updated as the knowledge base, let's try out the flow. Let's open the simulator and ask a question. As you can see, based on the question we entered, a relevant explanation of interactive messages has been given as a response. The current integration of GPT with Glyphic has a couple of limitations. Since we rely on Jugalbandi APIs for connecting with OpenAI, any issue on the Jugalbandi API can make the GPT functionality in Glyphic come to a halt. Like concurrent API calls from multiple requests and hitting the hourly rate limit during high traffic could make the GPT capability unresponsive. But this could be tackled by creating separate OpenAI accounts for the NGOs, making the user experience smooth and seamless. Another limitation the current implementation has is that the queries given by the users are not conversational. That means the previous question is not taken into context while responding to the next question. Also, it is important to make sure that the training data fed should be in English for best results. Jugalbandi presents a range of options for querying like GPT 3.5, GPT-4, LangChain and GPT Index. While GPT-4 offers more factual results, making it particularly useful when dealing with facts and actual textual information, GPT 3.5 is preferred for enhanced outcomes in terms of natural language understanding. ChatGPT Integration in Glyphic allows the chatbot to generate rich responses which are detailed and empowers the chatbot to handle ambiguity and open-ended questions. Over time, the chatbot could be fine-tuned with updated information and would help in improving the accuracy of the results. This remarkable feature holds tremendous powers to vastly improve the chatbot experience, enabling the automation of scenarios that once demanded human intervention. All thanks to its advanced natural language processing and intent recognition capabilities. Give ChatGPT integration a try and let us know how it helped you. Check the below description for the blogs and documentation we have on ChatGPT integration for deeper understanding. Thank you for watching.